Well, it's Monday the 21st, the summer solstice, and I've kind of gotten used to no workers showing up Monday after payday, and last Friday was payday, so it's just kind of how it is. And now we have the very first of the roughed-in plumbing going in. This will be a drain from the bathroom and kitchen going into the sewer. And there's the plan, the first part of the plan of the sewer, the drains. It's Wednesday. I wasn't able to come out yesterday, and I see that a lot of the plumbing, rough plumbing, has been put in. I know they've got to come out one more time and put in the plumbing for the kitchen. That's the part that hasn't been done. And they're prepping, the rebar guys are prepping the back area where the basement is to pour the floor. Now the floor will not get poured until the electricians come out and put in some of the rough-in electrical conduit. And I've got Alida's nephew, a security specialist, coming out today, as a matter of fact, to give us some suggestions on where to put the main box for the security system, etc. We think it's going to be, part of it's going to be in the back here. But once again, some real progress being made. We made a few decisions regarding a pool shower with Jorge and Eric. Jorge is Francis's brother. Eric is the kind of a part-time supervisor here, also in charge of architecture for the city of Jarabacoa. So we're in good hands. Once again, making some more progress. Guys over there having lunch. Well, it's official. We have some pretty fancy power. Electricians at work. Some more plumbing, more drains. So Friday, concrete's going to be poured on all this. So all we'll have is just a slab with these pipes sticking up for the electrical. So this is going to be fixed. This is the drains for the, what is this? The laundry area. It was right out through the wall there, but I think they're going to dig it down and have it go out lower, so it's not going to be apparent on the side of the house. And there'll be a clean out at the bottom of it. This is the right way to do it. Master bath, roughed in drainage. We had some rain the other day, pretty good rain, and it flooded the basement again. So they spent some time and dug some trenches to keep it from happening again. We're digging for the sewer connection. Looks like we're getting ready to hook that up. Same is true with the water connection. More electrical connections, including the garage. Got maybe another day's worth of work on this. Now they were using this clear wire to kind of run through the conduit and put in some green plastic, probably propylene, whatever line. I guess they're doing this to kind of get ready to pull some wires. There's another one there. They've got some more to do, but we're getting close to pouring the slab. Got a box of boxes. And this is the media room. You can see they're putting in some infrastructure for lights and ceiling fans. The same is true in the basement. Same thing. So once again, much more progress. Because of the rains last week and some minor flooding, Meister's once again put some dirt to keep the water out. And now we're digging down for, looks like it's going to be a water connection. That's the street water there. And the sewer connection. If you recall, we had dug this out once before, and now we're getting ready to do the main connection for both the water and the sewer. So, more progress. End of the day on Wednesday. Cleaning things up. It's Friday afternoon. There's nobody here anymore, except for the electricians who are finishing up the rough conduit, putting in, snaking some nylon rope through the pipes so they can pull wires later on. They'll probably spend the rest of the day doing that. They've been very nice. I've asked them to put in maybe 25 more electrical outlets, and they've been happy to do so. Of course, they're getting paid for it. But you can't have too many electrical outlets. So the reason nobody came today is because there's not much for them to do. The electricians will finish their job, and then Monday, I'm told, we will start pouring the slab. So there'll be some people here for that. That's a big pipe there. It's kind of weird seeing this because next week there won't be any of this dirt. It'll all be concrete here. Those are the fixtures for the fans and lights, the new media room. Had them put some electrical outlets. This is going to be the indoor garden. Had them put some electrical outlets on these short walls, so that will have some power there. One thing I had them do is on the plans, we're going to have an island in the kitchen. And there was no electricity going to it, so I did have them put some power for the island here in the kitchen, as well as a bunch more outlets all over. My mother said you can't have too many electrical outlets, and I believe that. So all the small pipes are for the electricity for the new wiring. And all the pipes will be embedded in concrete here come Monday. It's Monday, July 5th, day after the 4th of July. I thought they were going to be pouring concrete this morning, but I was told that the electricians have not finished their job. Probably because of me, because I added a bunch of outlets and other things to the project. But I'm told that definitely tomorrow they should be pouring it. Not sure what time of day. I'll get here in the morning just to see. But there's a lot of electric pipes all over, and you can now see that the electricians are running snakes through them all to run some rope through so we can pull the cables through. So tomorrow might be a big day, and this may be the last time that I'll be able to show this layout with all the rebar and the mesh down before they pour the concrete to make the slab. Okay, he's running a snake from there. It's coming out there, and he's going to pull a piece of rope back through. And ultimately, all the wires lead back to here. This is where the main circuit breakers are going to be, I believe.